Hello everybody, I just got home from work. Happy Vlogmas Day. I don't know which day it is, if the 18th or is it the 17th? Happy, whichever one it is. It is Tuesday. I'm hangry and I'm about to make some soup. Ooh, well, that just shows how everything is coming together for me right now. I wanted to stop and get Chick-fil-A, but I didn't want to drive out of the way. I just wanted to come home. So soup it is, and I'm not really in the mood for soup, but that's what I have. So yes, I'm gonna warm this up, sit down, and I will come right back. Okay, while I'm waiting for my soup to warm up, I'm gonna make myself a drink. And I thought I'd share that with you. I don't know if any of you guys have heard of this brand, Mr. Black. It is probably in fact, I'm gonna say it's the best coffee liqueur out there. And if you guys happen to find it, please try it. You'll thank me later. So I'm gonna use Mr. Black. Oh, I forgot to get the It's been one of those days, and I know that alcohol is not the way of dressing things, but you know what? It's the holidays. This is Tito's vodka, 1 ounce, and then I'm going to top it with Bailey's. I don't know how this is going to taste because oh shoot, that's been open. Oh crap. Let me make sure this is still good. Hopefully it's not curdled. I didn't know this was open. Okay, well, let's see. I'm doing equal parts of each one. So yes, this is a strong drink. And I may not even like it. Which at that point, I will cut this part out of the video. Not bad. I like it. All right, I'm gonna get my soup. Okay, soup is done. I am having beef and barley soup. I think I'm pretty sure I showed that to you when I put it in the pot and spilled some of it. I really don't like being hungry, but I've been hungry all day today. I don't know why. So I had a hearty lunch, and I had snacks. So yeah, I don't know why I'm starving right now. Ooh, I put hot sauce in that. Might have put a little bit too much, but that's okay. I'm still eating it. So, Vlogmas is going to have to take a different route from this day forward. I may be able to get one up tomorrow, but thereafter, for the next 5 days, it may be sporadic. I may be able to post every other day, but we'll see. But I know this is my first year, and I know that the expectations of having a video up is not there. It may be for a few, which I truly appreciate that you guys are watching my videos. But due to traveling and, you know, family, I would be very surprised if I can vlog every day from this day forward. So I am officially putting myself in a different time frame for Vlogmas now. I'm proud that I was able to get a vlog up every day, except for when I was sick. I believe I kept my word to myself. I will try to will try to post a video every day going forward, but I don't want to put that kind of stress on myself on trying to do that when we're driving, or you know, we have something going on with family. So that's why I'm pivoting, and going to say that I will put a video up as much as I can, but you know, it'll be a good thing if I can. If I can't, then I'm gonna have to be okay with that. Me being okay with that. Vlogmas was fun. It's stressful, but fun. It stretched me in my creativity ability to think about things outside of the box of what I would normally do. I've gotten more comfortable in front of the camera. And I've made some good, I consider you guys my friends. And there are quite a few of you that, you know, comment and we chit chat, and I like that. And so I'm very much appreciative of you guys, and I hope that I can keep doing this until Christmas Day. But my heart's telling me I probably cannot do that. So I'm gonna shoot for every other day. If I can do it every day, that's a bonus. But every other day I'm gonna try my best to. And who knows, I may not be able to do anything for the next 5 days and post, you know, combine them all into one video and post them on Christmas Eve. That kind of is an idea that I've kind of been playing with, so we'll see. But I'm gonna finish my soup, and I probably won't come back. We'll see. I doubt it. This will probably be the end of this video. Short and sweet. And if it is the end of the video, I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching my videos. It means a great deal to me, more than you guys could ever know. And your support, your kind words, and the friendships is priceless. It's priceless to me. So have a wonderful evening, and I'll talk to you guys probably tomorrow. I'll do a pack with me. We'll do a pack with me, and go from there. All right, guys. Love you guys.